So I told you about the having the emergency fund, but the average interest rate on a high yield savings right now, because of all the interest rate hikes, is running about 3.30%, and that's actually higher than pre-pandemic levels for that actual interest rate. That means if you have about $20,000 in your savings account, you'll probably be seeing around 40 to $45 being paid to you every month just for having your money sitting there. But you might say, well, Jonathan, you said inflation is at 7.1 and 3.30. While that's higher, it still means my money is not keeping up with the cost of everything around me. And you're right. So, what could I actually be using to help speed up the way my money is growing, but allow it to help me take it down that path of building wealth and even, dare we say, compound? Well, the reason why I say this or bring this up is simply put, start with the basics. And the basics of investing is, hey, if you have limited capital money and you're ready to kind of take that next step, I started with the S&P 500, and guess what? That's what I suggest most people do with, or everyone do with the index fund. The thing about an index fund is you're gonna have little or no fees. You can It has a long track record, 50 years, where it's averaged over 10, 11%. And the thing that makes it best is self cleansing. You don't have to worry about going to do what they call rebalance, try to find new stocks or anything. But it's all companies that you're familiar with. These are things that you really need to be thinking about, because when you're putting your money into something, yes, it's a risk, but you want to have confidence that the companies that you're putting it in, you're familiar with, and you have true belief that, hey, they're going to perform higher and better over time. And that's what you're looking to get out of your first and foundational investment vehicle. The other thing is, you can invest any amount, whether it's $1 or $100, $100 or a thousand or 10,000. See, the thing is, yes, many people are interested and attracted to real estate, but real estate does cost, and it costs money. It costs money on repairs. It costs money on the transactions. But the good thing about this index fund is, if you put your money in, that's it. You own it right away. And when it's time for you to sell, if you had it over a year, well, you're only really subject to capital gains tax, which is now at 15%. I hope this helps you really look at, where is your first investment going. Hi, my name is Jonathan. I want to help you build wealth. And I do that by showing you what I've done. Follow me for more.